Also on the new arrival list is the 1966 Ford Thunderbird Convertible.
Yeah.
Medium sage gold metallic, which is a great color for a Thunderbird. Over black. I imagine that color wouldn't work for every car.
That's right.
But interesting, talking about colors and liveries and talking to Peter Brock about how they designed the livery of BRE to be something that art directors would say, oh, that's the best picture we've got so far. I mean, who was thinking about
That's
that
so
stuff
smart,
then?
really.
Yeah.
Can't imagine. I mean, there was lots of cool liveries, but it wasn't thought out in that regard.
How's it going to look in a magazine?
Yeah, how's it going to look in a magazine? And is it something that the magazine's going to pick?
Right.
So anyway, this Thunderbird is awesome. 390 cubic inch, 4-barrel V8, cruise-o-matic, 3-speed automatic, up-and-coming collectible. These have been off the radar longer than they've been on the radar.